architecture program at Universitas Ubudiyah Indonesia aims to produce a professional graduate in urban design and real estate who care about environment, have an entrepreneurial spirit, and guided by Islamic ethics. We equip our students with architectural knowledge that combines creativity, technology, and respect for cultural and environmental values.
Studying in the architecture at Universitas Ubudiyah Indonesia offers a comprehensive learning experience. We not only study design theory, but also understand the philosophy of space, building, structures, and sustainable environmental approach.
The facilities in the architecture program of Universitas Ubudiyah Indonesia greatly support the learning process. We have design studios, computer laboratories equipped with the latest architecture software, and creative discussion space to develop our ideas and projects.
Graduates of Ubudiyah Architecture Program are prepared to pursue career as architect, urban designer, real estate developer, and design consultant who are professional and uphold Islamic ethics.
Architecture is the art of building life. Through the architecture program at Universitas Ubudiyah Indonesia, we nurture young architects who not only design buildings, but also nurture a cultured and sustainable civilization.